If your Optus phone isn't receiving calls, the most common culprits are call bearing, call diversion, and do not disturb. Let's break down each one. Call bearing is a network-level feature that blocks specific types of calls, like all incoming or international calls. It's activated through USSD codes or the My Optus app. Call diversion redirects incoming calls to another number, such as voicemail, when your phone is busy or unreachable. This can also be set using USSD codes. Finally, do not disturb, either on your phone or through Optus's service, silences calls and sends callers to voicemail. Misconfigured settings in any of these can make it seem like your phone isn't accepting calls. First, check your phone's Do Not Disturb settings and ensure it's disabled. Next, deactivate call bearing. Use the USSD code 35 to deactivate all call bearing. Then, reset call diversion by dialing 111. This cancels any unconditional call forwarding. Restart your phone after making these changes. If the issue persists, use the My Optus app for troubleshooting. It now includes AI-driven assistance to detect barred calls. Consider recent firmware updates that might have reset these settings. If still unresolved, contact Optus support. Most problems stem from user misconfigurations, which they can remotely reset.